Hi, we're James and Eleanor from Giraffe Technology. Many developers we speak to know that AI is going to transform their work. They're keen to learn more, but don't necessarily know where to start. Perhaps you've already experimented with some of the new AI feasibility tools on the market and come away underwhelmed. The reality is, if you're looking for a tool where you can push a button and have AI do all your work for you, then Giraffe is not the solution for you. Because Giraffe isn't magic, but it is mastery.
We know how painful feasibility studies can be. You're juggling planning controls, site constraints, consultants, and stakeholders, only to have everything go out of date before a decision is even made. That's why we built the Digital First Developer course. In just 5 sessions, we'll take you through a digital feasibility workflow using a real Todd precinct residential opportunity. Alongside a cohort of peers, you'll learn how to use Giraffe to bring the data you trust to optimize site selection, connect design directly to your financials, and run and compare options rapidly to find the best solution. By the end, you'll have your own digital-first feasibility playbook and the confidence to apply it across your pipeline.
Giraffe is at the frontier of leveraging data, generative design, and AI to completely transform the way you do property development. Our customers are already turning weeks of feasibility work into hours and saving thousands of dollars of consulting fees along the way. Don't wait for the change to happen to you. Come, roll up your sleeves and learn the Giraffe way with us.
We'd love to see you in our next cohort. Spots are limited, so secure your place with the short form on this page, and we'll see you in class.